So, like I said in an earlier video, I always consider these series when I do a bunch together. That I was planning to do 2 lessons this weekend, and then watching Cadillac Records and all that blues stuff just got me going on this thing again. Which is funny because I never really did any blues on this until yesterday. So it's kind of opened that up to a whole new world on a Merlin. But this next one isn't really blues. But when I was figuring out Hideaway on here, I started thinking, what about the other songs that we used to do when we did Hideaway back when I was in a band? And the one that popped in my head was Pipeline. I don't know. There's more to the title. It's more than just Pipeline, or is it just Pipeline? I don't know. So that the surf sound music, lots of reverb, Dick Dale, Safaris, all that type of stuff. But I sat down and I started working on this morning. Now, it's not complete because I'm kind of having. It's funny because I'm doing the right notes. It just doesn't sound right because I'm getting the full note that you would on a guitar, but it's gonna be close enough. I like close enough. What's wrong with close enough? So Pipeline, and like I said, I just figured this out this morning. So mistakes will be made, and mistakes will be forgiven. All right. Yeah, that doesn't really work when you got the frets the way they are because it doesn't sound right. But anyways, and I'm missing a part. There's the do 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 do. No, I got that part. I don't know, but this is just, let's call it a HAL lesson, half-ass lesson. Just the basic, and then hopefully someone takes it from here, so I don't have to learn the rest of it. I'm lazy right now. That's not true, but I'm lazy with this song. So it's done in E. It's actually E minor, but that's as close as we're gonna get on this Merlin. You can do E minor up here, I think it is. But it doesn't work for the picking you need to do. So you bar it, and all you're doing is alternating the pick. So you're 1 and 1, and then you're coming on the 3rd on the low string. You can actually do it in the A too, but you need that fake fret, and I'm not doing a fake fret lesson today, so just doing a stripped down version of Pipeline. So that's your basic rhythm. So for the lead part, this is basically what this lesson is going to be, is this lead part. So you start middle string, 2nd fret. So quite a few notes in there. Well, no, there's only 3 notes and 4 notes in there, but it's quite a lot of picking. So let's just do a couple more slow times. And it goes, second part. So let's do them together. And then your turnaround. And down to E. So this actually would be a great song if you have a guitar doing all the rhythm parts and you're just doing the lead. This is where this lesson should be. So find a guitar player that knows pipeline. This is an original key. Tell them to play it, and then you can do the lead parts, and you'll be good. You'll be set. So let's do that all together. That's it. That's all I got for this. It's a HAL lesson. Half-assed. I just kind of, like I said, I kind of just remembered it today when I was doing pipeline. And I figured out real fast on here because it's pretty much exact same on guitar. So it was easy to figure out on here. Except for that rhythm part. That rhythm part took me a while. Oops. But for the most part, it wasn't that bad. So that's a HAL lesson. Because I don't want to do any more into it. Well, I got 2, 3 more to do. I'll do a folky song, a Christmas song, and then we're going to do a 101. And then I'll call it a night. I should be done by 9. Anyway, I never know how to end these videos. I don't know if you notice. Have fun. Make it your own. Patience, practice. All that psycho babble I always say. But have fun.